Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kanika Popli and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my last videos, I saw a lot of people commenting on it saying that we are not motivated enough, we don't feel like opening our books, and we have our entrance exam in just few months and we really want to crack it, but still we're not able to study. So today I thought that let's have this chatty conversation wherein I'll tell you that I think this is the time when you should not even think of your mood. Even if you don't feel like studying, you have to study. You have no other option. अच्छा देखो, पढ़ना ना किसी को भी नहीं पसंद है. Be it a topper, be it a mediocre person, be it the person who do not study. Yes, there are very few people who like to study instead of enjoying their life by partying or watching series. But maximum of the population do not like to study. But still, out of that maximum of population, there are toppers. How is it possible? It is only possible by training their brain. And you can only train your brain by just again and again realizing what your dream is. Just close your eyes and just visualize the dream you have made for yourself all your life. Someone wants to become a doctor, someone wants to become an engineer or a civil servant or crack NEET PG or something like that, right? So that is the dream we want in our life, and we want to continue that aim forever. And for that, we require motivation, we require the willingness and the determination to study non-stop for the entrance exam. See, when you watch any motivational video, even like this one, you were just getting motivated for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour maximum, and that is it. But the motivation which actually stays with you forever is the motivation which is from within. And the within motivation comes when you again and again think of the dream and why you want to become that. Whenever you feel demotivated, like most of you must be feeling right now, or whenever you feel like you want to give up, then always and always think of the dream you have had for years. Always think of your parents who you want to make them proud. Whenever I used to feel like giving up, or whenever I used to have those negative thoughts inside my head, then that was the moment when I always thought of my parents 24/7 hard work for me and always sacrificing everything so that I get the best of the best. So this is the time for us to prove ourselves and to make our parents proud of us and happy that we can also achieve something. The goal we have made for ourselves is not just for us. It actually also plays a role in our parents' life too. See, our brain is trained to work in such a way that it can avoid all the hardships, all the failures. Aren't we afraid of failures? Aren't we afraid of hardships? And that is why when we are studying, we start get into the zone of overthinking and we start wasting time. This is where the toppers know how to stop themselves. And the only way to actually stop yourself is again and again inspiring yourself and again reminding yourself of the countdown that only and only you have like 7 to 8 months for NEET PG and 2 months for NEET UG or any other exam with the following countdown. Okay, you have to train your brain that it doesn't have to go to the direction where you don't want to go. Believe me, when we are preparing for any entrance exam or any competitive exam, we start liking things which we do not like in normal regular days. Like I remember, even I used to crave to watch Doordarshan last year, or any other things or any other YouTube things which I never used to watch and which I'm not even watching it right now. You must be also going towards those direction wherein you must be watching things which you do not watch on the regular day. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, that this is where we have to train our brain and we have to remind ourselves that this is not what we want. See, if you do not study right now, you have to study tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You don't have any other choice. है ना। अच्छा, तो ऐसे ना बहुत बार ये होता है कि भाई आज मेरा पढ़ने का मन नहीं है, मेरा कल मन नहीं है, यार मेरे को नहीं पढ़ने का मन, आई एम फीलिंग वेरी डीमोटिवेटेड. बट डू यू थिंक दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू डू नॉट स्टडी राइट नाउ, is there any other way out? At the end of the day you have to complete your syllabus, and at the end of the day you have to crack your exam. Either you're ready to compromise with your dream, or you're ready to spend a lot of money into a private college. If none of this is possible, then you have to study. Are you ready to drop or waste 1 year? See, no matter what, how supportive your parents are or how supportive the environment is, at the end of the day, the pressure lies within you. When you see your fellow batchmates are progressing in their life, are in a course where they wanted to be, and you're still studying with the same books which you have been studying that last 1 whole year, then the pressure starts developing up. And how are you sure that the next year you won't be demotivated? Is it easy that अभी हम 2 महीने जो बचे हैं या 8 महीने बचे हैं वो ख़त्म करें जल्दी से और उसके बाद फिर सिर्फ मज़े करें? See, the pressure we have for entrance exam is not at all equivalent to the pressure we have to like pass the college exams. That pressure is not at all equal. A college exam is a very simple exam and of less competition as compared to what we have in entrance exam. So the ultimate goal actually stays that we have to crack the entrance exam. आज नहीं तो कल करना ही करना है, तो अभी कर लो ना. Why to waste time? वैसे ही डॉक्टर बनते बनते you really get older, you already have a lot of years to invest. Then why to invest years while just preparing for entrance exam? Why not invest years in doing post graduation or super specialization, right? Most of the times I know how much harsh we get with us whenever we are studying. There are days which are inevitable, we have to waste them, and I completely understand. Yes, there are few days when we cannot study, but it doesn't mean that we have to waste that full 24 hour. We can still be in that study room with our books open, and it is like something is better than nothing. Having a productivity of 0 hour and having a productivity of like 2 hours out of 14 hours of total study, what do you prefer? I feel 2 hours is better, because once you put a full stop, then entering into the zone of study the next day again becomes tough. At least for me, it always did. If I used to give myself a break for 1 whole day, then the next day I used to be, यार पढ़ना पड़ेगा, मतलब मन ही नहीं करता था पढ़ने का. तो वो full stop लानी ही नहीं है for the duration, for the whole duration of your studies. You have a lot of time after you crack the entrance exam. अभी right now also you can see I gave my exam in January, and January से लेकर अब कितना time हो गया है, it is June now. I'm just enjoying. We have nothing to do, and all those things which I really wanted to do, I am doing it now. So you have a lot of time. Whenever you feel that you want to do some hobby, you can just write down, make a list, and do it when you give the entrance exam. I'm telling you, you will have a lot of time, and that lot of time will actually make you feel bored. You would like this time when you are actually busy, you have an aim to do something. You have to start loving the process, and then the result actually comes to you. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. And this is really true. The more hard work you put in, it actually determines where your success will be. You can never say that the rank 1 hard work was actually equal to the rank 5000. Not at all. It is the amount of sacrifices that person did which a rank 5000 did not, and which a person who could not even qualify did. So you have to understand that right now you may be feeling really bad about the process, or you may be feeling कि कुछ बचा ही नहीं है, सिर्फ पढ़ना ही पड़ रहा है. But when the result will come, I'm telling you, every struggle, every sacrifice of yours will be worth it. So it is really better if you just train your brain and completely get ready into this race and think that it is the situation where you have to win no matter what. And I'm telling you, you can and you will. if you have this thing that you want to. There's no one who's more intelligent, there's no one who's less intelligent. Everyone has the same brain, everyone have the same capacity to learn. Maybe some are slow learners or fast learners. Yes, there are cases like this, but it is really fine. What at the end matters is your hard work. So just gear up, push yourself, because I'm telling you, no one else can do that for you. You have to push yourself on your own. Also just stop talking, also just stop telling everyone your plans कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये करना है. Don't just talk, put in your action, open your books, pause this video, feel motivated, close your eyes, visualize, think of everything you wanted in your life ever, think of how your parents will feel once you achieve your dream, and just think of all of this thing. Get inspired, get in that internal fuel back into yourself, be motivated, and just start studying. I'm telling you, everything will be fine and everything will be worth it at the end of the day. All the best, everyone. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you really liked it and you're feeling motivated after watching this. And I would be coming up with more videos which will add in value to your life, so stay tuned. And also thank you so much for 2000 plus subscribers in such a short time. Keep showing me this love and keep viewing my all of the videos. Let's make this channel a huge success together. Thank you so much, and keep on hustling. I'm sure you'll get the best.